ito, ang hourly rate niya is $20 to $30. So, all you have to do is just click and drag. Ayan. And then, from there, pwede mo siyang i-resize, diba? So, napakadali niyan, guys. Kayang-kaya nyo yung gawin. Hello everyone! My name is Mimi and welcome to my home-based story kung saan lagi tayo nag-share ng mga bagong videos regarding work from home. Kaya naman kung bago kayo dito sa ating channel, please consider subscribing. Okay, so for this year, guys, I've seen a lot of new YouTubers and I'm really glad na us Filipinos have found another platform kung saan pwede tayong mag-express ng ating sarili and at the same time pwede tayong kumita, diba? Ayan. And if you look at YouTube, guys, napakaraming different kinds of thumbnails. And for me, napakahalaga talaga ng isang good thumbnail. Kasi ito yung unang-unang nakikita ng mga prospective viewers and kumbaga, ito yung mag-a-attract for people to watch your video, diba? Ayan, so for today's video, i-share ko sa inyo na pwede nyong pagkakitaan ang paggawa ng thumbnail. So you don't really need to be a YouTuber to earn money from YouTube or from making videos. You can earn money from making thumbnails. Ayan, i-cover natin kung paano gumawa ng eye-catching na thumbnail and saan nga bang website tayo pwede gumawa na hindi natin kailangang magbayad ng kahit magkano, no? And once na nakagawa na tayo ng thumbnail, saan ba natin pwedeng ibenta itong services na to? Saan yung legit website na pwede tayong mabayaran? And magkano nga ba ang pwedeng kitain sa paggawa lang ng YouTube thumbnail? Kaya naman, stay with me guys until the end of this video para malaman nyo lahat yan. Speaking of video thumbnails, if you're looking to build a career in the creatives like graphic design or build powerful visuals like for social media marketing, you should check out Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community that offers membership with meaning. I have been working with them for a year now and Skillshare is always my go-to when it comes to freelancing classes. I especially like this new workshop on catching a client's eye that can effectively help you in leveling up your online presence. Skillshare is also incredibly affordable compared to pricey in-person classes and workshops. Their annual subscription is only less than $10 per month. And the good news, guys, is for a limited time, you can get a trial of Skillshare Premium by just clicking the link down below on the description box and pinned comment. So guys, with the new normal, I encourage you to try new skills, deepen your existing passions, and explore your creativity with Skillshare's online classes. What you find may just surprise and inspire you. Ayan, so guys, i-introduce ko kayo sa software na ginagamit ko personally for my thumbnails and I really don't pay anything for it. It is Canva.com. Canva.com is a free website where you can sign up for free and you can use their services for making different kinds of creatives for free. Tara na sa ating computer and ipapakita ko sa inyo ano nga ba yung mga elements ng paggawa ng isang effective thumbnail. Okay, so guys, ito yung website ni Canva. Makikita nyo dyan, pwede kayo mag-sign up with your Google, with your Facebook, or kahit na anong email address na meron kayo. So if you wanna sign up and get a free premium graphic item, so you can use my link below. It's down there in the description box as well. So magla-login na lang ako, guys. On the main menu sa taas, makikita nyo dyan yung home, may mga templates. So itong templates, ito yung mga meron na silang nakaset na sizes for different types. So, let's dive right in. Paano gumawa ng video thumbnail? Punta ka lang sa Create a Design dito sa upper right corner and then i-search mo yung YouTube thumbnail. So, pwede mo siyang i-type. And guys, mag-open siya sa isang window kung saan makikita nyo that this is the blank canvas with a perfect size match to a YouTube channel. So, this is already ready and kailangan nyo lang lagyan ng elements and design. I-rename natin siya dito. So, thumbnail tutorial. Okay, and then dito sa left side, you will see here, kita nyo dyan yung mga templates, uploads, photos. So, sa templates, pwede kayong pumili ng mga pre-designed na templates na i-edit nyo na lang. So, marami sila dyan, guys. You also have here your upload. So, these are the files that you're uploading. And then, they also have photos. So, sa photos, meron kayo dyan makikita mga free photos, meron ding paid or premium photos. And then elements, this is basically where you're gonna find yung mga different kinds of shape, clip arts na pwede nyong ilagay sa thumbnail ninyo. And then text is of course where you enter the text. Meron din sila dyan mga templates na pwede nyong i-edit. And then they also have videos but I really haven't explored yet. And then dito naman sa mga background, simply put, it's just a back. Ayan. So guys, ito yung sample na gagamitin natin. This was the first thumbnail that I created this year for 2020. And ito talaga sa Canva siya binuo. So you will see here all the elements. So napakarami niyan guys. Pag sinelect mo yan, ayan, makikita mo na marami akong pinaglalagay na anik-anik dyan. But, ito nga, i-discuss natin tong thumbnail na to. Paano ba gumawa niyan? First, I put the photo here. Hanap ka lang ng magandang photo. It should be related sa content. So, this background picture is actually a photo of an office. So, all you have to do is just click and drag. Ayan. And then, from there, pwede mo siyang i-resize, diba? So, napakadali niyan, guys. Kayang-kaya niyo yung gawin. So, the main photo for this one is, of course, me. Kasi, syempre, ang kind of videos naman natin is me talking about online jobs, diba? And, of course, yung topic. So, kung makikita nyo sa mga thumbnails natin, napakaraming text. And this is also one of the elements na importante. So, papakita ko lang muna sa inyo kung paano to ilagay dito. So, punta lang kayo sa text and then ilagay nyo to. And then, pwede nyo siyang ibahin yung color, yung font dito sa taas. So, you can change it here. Ayan. So, whatever you want. So pwede nyo lagyan dito ng mga elements din, like shapes. Importante din sa isang thumbnail, guys, nalalagyan nyo siya ng value. Ayan. So, ano ba yung makukuhang important thing na mga manonood sa inyo? So, that's how you put the different elements together. So, those are the basic things. And I would definitely encourage you to explore more. Bilang free na to, guys. So, kung wala kayong ginagawa, explore nyo to. You know, baka ito na yung para sa inyo and pwede nyo pagkakitaan. So, ano nga ba yung mga tips ko for creating a thumbnail that actually works? Ayan. So, unang-una is you have to choose your main photo. What is your content about? Ano ba yung video nyo? Tungkol saan ba ito? Number 2, yun nga, yung topic. What text should go with the main photo? Hindi pwedeng basta na lang, guys. Make it spicy, diba? It should entice your viewers. Yun naman talaga ang end goal ng paggawa ng thumbnail. Yun nga, whatever text you put, it should add value to the picture. So, next would be the colors. Maganda kung makakapag-brand kayo, like medyo cohesive yung inyong colors. Next step is effects. Kailangan merong contrast yung inyong mga elements. All the elements should be in unison. So, when I say unison, dapat tama yung alignment. And of course, you really have to practice a lot. Like for me, kapag gumagawa ko ng thumbnail, it still sometimes takes me 2 hours just to get all the elements right. Now, I know you're all wondering, Mimi, paano mo ginawa yung picture mo na walang background? In-upload ko yan from my computer. Syempre, tinanggalan ko na yan ng background. Previously, I created a video kung paano ko siya ginagawa sa Photoshop. But, I'm gonna create another video kung saan mas madali nating matanggal yung background ng ating mga photo. So, look forward to that kasi pwede nyo rin pagkakitaan yung pagtanggal ng background ng photos. Pero for now, let's just focus muna tayo dito sa thumbnail, no? Ayan, so guys, kung ready na kayong ibenta yung service na yan, punta na tayo kung ano nga ba yung mga websites or legit sites kung saan pwede nyong ibenta yung services na to. I will show you a couple of marketplaces and uunahin na natin is si Fiverr. So, Fiverr.com, na-cover ko na to previously before. So, napakarami na nating na-cover. Over 2 years of content and Fiverr was one of them. Click lang natin yung sign in. This is also free, guys. Wala kayong kailangan bayaran just for signing up to Fiverr. It's a marketplace para sa mga hindi nakakaalam. You can either be a buyer or a seller. So, para tong Shopee, no? May mga buyers, meron ding sellers. So, halimbawa ako, naghahanap ako ng someone to create a thumbnail for me. So, I can go to Fiverr and look and buy a service for that. And then, kung halimbawa ako naman gusto kong mag-work, then of course, it's gonna be switch to selling. Dito, pwede nyong ilagay yung inyong mga gigs or yung mga services na pwede nyong ibenta. So, it's a good idea to check yung mga available services na para malaman nyo ano ba yung nagkiklik. Bakit sa palagay nyo may bumibili sa kanila? Kasi meron ako mga na basa sa comments ninyo that Mimi, nakagawa ko ng gig pero walang nagkiklik, walang bumibili ng service ko. So, pag-usapan natin, ano ba yung mga tips sa Fiverr na pwede nating gawin? Ayan, so makikita nyo dyan, yung mga sellers. Ito naman, yung mga reviews nila. So, 5-star reviews for more than 1,000 reviews. Bakit sa palagay nyo, mataas yung click-through rate nitong si Kuya? Kasi yung thumbnail niya, maganda yung color combination. Kita mo na nagpa-pop out talaga yung kanyang text. One thing that you need to learn when you're creating a gig in Fiverr is dapat eye-catching yung inyong cover photo. So, ito guys yung cover photo niya, 'di ba? Napaka eye-catching. Pwede niyong sabihin, Mimi, ang dami na masyadong nag-offer ng ganyang service. Paano ba ako makikipag-compete? So, kagaya nito, si Kuya, ang presyuhan na niya is $10. So, for Fiverr, pinakamababa is $5. I suggest you start at $5 first. Okay, guys? I know it's low, especially considering na halimbawa, you're gonna work on the thumbnail for 2 hours, tapos $5 lang. Pero kasi, ang maganda dyan, kumuha kayo ng reviews after. So, once you've already compiled your reviews, you can ask for a higher rate. So, yun yung trick dyan. Same din lang with Upwork. And yun yung next na pupuntahan natin. By the way, to create a gig, I discussed that separately on another video. Medyo mahaba yung process ng pag-create ng gig, kaya i-check nyo na lang doon sa ating main Fiverr video. So, Upwork has not really been a fun place for the past couple of years, but you cannot deny that Upwork still has a lot of clients and lot of jobs for, you know, for freelancers like us. So, pakita ko sa inyo, login tayo sa ating Upwork. Search natin yung mga jobs, thumbnail. Ayan. So, pwede kayo maging thumbnail designer. Ayan. So, ito, ang hourly rate niya is $20 to $30. Ayan. And ang maganda dyan, payment verified na daw itong buyer na to or itong client na to. Minimum of 2 to 3 thumbnails per week. And must be willing to collaborate on design. So, kapag ganito kasi guys, isa-set ko na yung expectation ninyo na yung mga client, marami silang revisions na hinihingi. So, that's part of design. Minsan sabihin nila, can you change the font? Or can you change the photo? Can you change the color? May mga ganyang client na sobrang, they cannot make up their mind kung anong gusto nila. So, sometimes you have to put down your foot and sabihin mo na, okay, let's just stick to this color or let's just stick to this design after, let's say, 2-3 revisions. Kasi syempre, mapapagod din kayo. Marami ng proposals to, 15 to 20. Meron din diyang mga jobs na, I'm looking for someone to help me create catching YouTube titles, thumbnails, and description. Ang hourly entry level, hindi niya sinabi. So, pag sinabing entry level, usually mga sa between $1 and $3 lang yan mababa. Pero, verified payment siya ha. $2,000 spent. Yung isa kanina, $8,000 spent. Okay? Ayan. So, marami guys na jobs for thumbnail creators here in Upwork. And ito na nga yung siguro last part ng ating pag-uusapan. Sabi ko sa inyo, magkano nga ba ang pwedeng sweldohin ng isang thumbnail creator? So, sabi dito sa Fiverr, kagaya nito si Kuya, which is already a top seller, 3 thumbnails is $10. Fiverr's choice, ganon, nag-start siya ng 25. Kasi this one is for animation. So, or kailangan niyang gawa ng cartoon version yung inyong thumbnail. So, pag ganon, syempre that's an advanced skill, mas mahal siya. To be honest guys, hindi siya ganon kalaki. Pero, once naman na may template na kayo, pwede nyo siyang ulit-ulitin, tapos ibahin nyo na lang yung color, ibahin nyo na lang yung placement. Sa una lang talaga medyo mahirap mag-isip nung proper layout. But you have Canva for that. Remember, dito sa templates, makikita nyo dyan yung mga pwede nyong gamiting templates. Just make sure na original pa rin siya, na parang ginawa nyo lang inspiration to, diba? Ayan. So, again, balik tayo, napalayo na tayo. Balik tayo dun sa sweldo. So, for Fiverr, medyo mababa siya. It starts at $5 to $25. So, depende kung gaano kaganda yung portfolio. And then, sa Upwork naman, mataas tong hourly na $20 to $30. Hindi ko alam kung paano kanila ita-time sa work mo in creating thumbnails. But, maganda yung hourly na $20 to $30. But, ayan, meron nag-offer ng $15. Mababa yung kanina yung entry level. So, usually pag ganyan, that's negotiable. Ayan, pwede ka mag-submit ng proposals. One thing about Upwork, meron sila mga connects. Pwedeng maubos yung connects mo kasi submit ng proposal without really getting the job. So, you have to really choose yung gusto mo lang na pag-applyan. So, again, bottom line, magkano yung pwedeng kitain sa paggawa ng thumbnail per thumbnail? It's either minimum $5 per thumbnail to maybe earning $20 to $30 per hour, making a collaborative collection of thumbnails there. And there you go guys, sana marami kayong natutunan kung paano nga ba madadagdagan yung skills nyo and kung paano nyo ito pwedeng pagkakitaan. Now guys, yung paggawa ng thumbnail, it's a special skill that it borders between graphic designing and pagiging virtual assistant. So mas maganda guys kung makakapag-practice kayo kasi the more that you practice, the more that you hone this particular skills. Siguro yun yung sinishare ko sa inyo today para ma-skip nyo na din yung maraming beses na nadapa at nagkamali ako sa paggawa ng thumbnail. What? Parang OA yun. Pero alam ko guys that you are already one step ahead. Alam nyo kung bakit? Kasi mahilig kayong manood ng YouTube. And if you always watch YouTube, then you know what works. Kasi ano ba yung nagpapaklik sa inyo dun sa mga videos, diba? So you kind of have an idea on what really clicks. It's just about putting it into practice. So sana that gave you a boost of confidence. And I think that's it for now. Again, thank you so much for staying with me until the end of our video. Please support our channel by liking and following us on Facebook and Instagram, and also watching and sharing our videos there. So, hindi lang tayo sa YouTube, nag-share na din ako ng video sa Facebook. Eventually, we're also gonna be posting new content there. So, make sure you watch out for that. And I will see you guys again on another work from home video next time.